You've traveled through Prana, its winds, its pathways, its relationship with mind, breath, and food. And recently, we stepped into the world of five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Now comes a beautiful turning point. Let's understand, Prana doesn't live separately from the elements, nor the elements work without Prana. They meet, blend, shape the way we breathe, feel, think, heal every single day. Every wind of Prana has a personality, and every element has a nature. When they come together, they create balance or imbalance, strength or tiredness, clarity or confusion, grounding or restlessness. This connection is happening inside us all the time, even if we never notice it consciously. And now we begin a new journey. A journey where each of the five winds of Prana meet one of the five elements of nature. We'll explore how each pair shapes our body, our emotions, and the way life moves through us. With love, with gratitude,